Hello and welcome to another decoupage tutorial. Hi, I'm Veronica and today we're gonna make a decorative candle mat header from Alice in Wonderland. So let's get started. For this project I choose a battery operated candle. Roll out your air drying clay and make sure it is pretty thin because otherwise it will crack upon you by drying. Then I applied some stem onto the clay. I applied it all the way around the clay. Then I applied some glue and then I applied the air drying clay onto the candle and took off any excess of the clay. Then I used some mold from Stamperia. I applied the matte header on one side and on the other side of the candle I applied some cake because I thought it looked cute. In between these two I applied some roses. Everything was glued with express glue from Pentart, but of course you can use whatever glue you have. Let the whole design dry. After drying, I applied black paint all over the candle and any excess of the paint I wiped off with wet towel. Let it all dry. Then I paint with red paint and gold paint some accent to the candle, like his bow, his coat, the roses and his hat. The same on the other side of the candle with the cake, some gold, some red as well. and little bit of pearl paint in between the gold. I even paint some gold, the little squares on the candle, not many, just few here and there. I'm sorry, I forgot to make the video about sealing the whole candle. I use matte varnish for it. After varnishing and drying, I use this 3D glue pen from Pentard just to put on some of the squares, roses and such. Let the glue dry until it is transparent. Then I apply these golden flakes from Pentard. I applied it on the candle. Of course, it will stick only where the glue was, and after applying, I clean the whole candle with soft brush. As said already, I also applied it on the roses itself, just here and there to make cute little accent of the candle. After the glue was transparent again, I applied the golden flakes and clean it up with soft brush. And here it is, all finished, matte heather candle. If you like this tutorial, please do subscribe. If you haven't already, do comment or give me a thumbs up and let me know what do you think about this cute little project. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.